guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome here for the first time if you're new here. These will be soft-spoken positive affirmation. You can listen to them every morning and every evening. You can also come back to them whenever you're in need. I know that this may sound silly, but trust me, these actually do work. If that sounds good for you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell down below so that you don't miss any of our new video. So let's jump into it. I love waking up early. I'm an early riser. Waking up early puts me and my needs first. Waking up early enables me to exercise, prepare for the day, and kick ass. It feels amazing and peaceful to be up early. I have endless energy throughout the day when I wake up early every day. I sleep and wake up at consistent times every day, and that empowers me. Waking up early is easy, enjoyable, and effortless. I love waking up early. I feel amazing knowing that I'm taking care of the most important thing in the day before the world even wakes up. Waking up reduces my stress because I don't need to rush. I love it. I wake up early and I'm proactive rather than reactive. I know that waking up early lowers my overall stress levels. Being well rested is proven to increase one's ability to solve problems. Since I have good sleep patterns, I get into deeper levels of sleep regularly, which is where all tissue, bone, and cellular repair happens. Waking up early gives me time to exercise. Getting more done in the morning gives me more free time to spend later in the day with the people that I love. Since I'm up early, I'm able to plan my day.